Hello, my name is Prateek Kurriya. I am the student of class 3rd C, St. Xavier's School, Nevada. Today I am going to do an experiment on density. For the experiment, we need 2 glasses, 2 medium-sized lemons, some tap water and some salt. First we have to take some tap water and put it in the glass equally. Then we need 1 lemon and put it in the glass. See, this is sinking. In the other glass, we need 2 spoons of salt. Then we will mix and dissolve it completely. Then we need the other lemon and put it in the glass. See, this is floating because the salt makes higher density and this lemon contains lesser density than the density of water. So this is floating. In the other glass, this lemon contains higher density than the density of water. So this is sinking. Thank you.